Hey, tool fans! We're here with an exciting video of 5 woodworking tools. These tools will help all the professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts to level up their working process. So now, buckle up and get ready to watch our video on 5 woodworking that are on another level. What if a tiny tool can take on bigger jobs? Count on the STIHL GTA26 to get the stylish and sleek way to pruning all the trees and shrubs. This tool stays aside you along with long cutting time and outstanding performance. And the tool-free chain replacement keeps you free from regular troubles and hassles. Not just that, the compact and light design makes it the best choice for you in the class. No wonder you can do both clean and rapid cuts with robust chain quality and high speed. Want to know the best part? It operates so quietly that'll definitely surprise you. Also, you'll be continuously notified about the remaining life to get the perfectly balanced projects. How to bring a uniform finish to your wooden surfaces. Add this Bosch GHO12V08N to your tool assembly and step up your game. Well, this professional planer has next-level compactness and control that will provide you with superior control. You can quickly change the accessories as it is packed with a hex key and a knife. You can adjust the depth of planing by pressing the release button. And yes, the V-groove mechanism stands for excellent edge chamfering. Do you know the fun fact? The ergonomic design and optimized hand position will make one-handed operations a breeze and keeps you productive. Here is the best way to attach delicate trims and drive thicker nails. This portable Metabo Northern Territory 1850 is literary and feels you like a pro. At first glance, you'll notice the surprisingly compact size and lighter weight in the category. And the fun part begins when it will let you drive uncountable nails for your more significant projects with cordless convenience. Wondering how? This portable brad nailer runs on a powerful battery that will pick up the slack. And yes, it accepts all the standard size 18-gauge brads fasteners. So while you're waiting to get cordless freedom and best operability for your next nailing task, it's time to create some professional quality cabinetry. So here is the all-in-one Milescraft EuroHingeJig carries every you need to complete cabinetry door mounting projects. And of course, you can work with both frameless and face frame cabinets. More than that, it has settings for all of the most popular hinge styles and cup locations. More than that, the jig has a drill guide with metal bushing locks that creates a perfectly straight hinge cup hole. Another great part, there's a hinge marking guide that detaches from the bottom and allows you to finish your cabinet by hinge location to the wall or frame. Conventional drills never let you know how deep you're drilling. But surprisingly, the Robox xDrill will do it for you. This terrific drill assists with drill point coordinates, automatic depth control, and distance measurement. Not just that, it will automatically stop as it reaches a predefined depth. And want to know the cool fact? All that information shows on its smart display. Then, your imagination will come up with custom angle leveling to constantly drill in the same angle. So you will be able to drill confidently into hard surfaces with constant power and customize the drill speed according to surface nature. And this concludes our list of the 5 woodworking tools that are on another level. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.